In this video, I will show you how to publish your website using Base44. Let's get started. I'll begin on the main dashboard where I can see all of my recent projects. I'm going to select my current project, Aura Atelier, to open up the editor. Once the editor loads, I can see the full preview of my e-commerce site. Now, to make this site live, I'll navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. This opens the publication panel where I can review my settings. I'll make sure the app visibility is set to public so everyone can see it. Then I simply click the Publish App button. It only takes a moment for the system to process the request. Once it's finished, a confirmation window appears with my unique live URL. I'll click the copy icon to save the link to my clipboard and then click the external link icon to view the live site in a new tab. This specific layout features a beautiful minimalist design with high-quality product photography and clean typography, perfectly suited for a high-end brand. The AI has generated a sophisticated grid of products, including leather goods and artisanal ceramics, creating a professional and cohesive aesthetic instantly. Everything looks polished and professional. That's all there is to it. My Base44 website is now published and ready for the world to see. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.